Good morning, players. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. I know I did, honey. But even if you had a sucky weekend, baby, I'm pretty sure it is a better weekend than Frumpy to the motherfucking dump had. I declare, honey. What a disgrace. So, players, do y'all remember when Frumpy said this?
To that, I have to leave Ireland and I have to leave Scotland, where I have great properties. I have to leave early. I don't have to, but I choose to.
Will you attend the trial, Mr. President?
I'll probably attend, and I think it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace that it's allowed to happen. It's called false accusations against a rich guy, or in my case, against a famous, rich, and political person that's leading the polls by 40 points. And I have to go back for a woman that made a false accusation about me, and I have a judge who's extremely hostile. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to confront this one. This woman is a disgrace, and it shouldn't be allowed to happen in our country.
Oh, yes, honey. He said he was ready to scurry his ass on back. Well, the judge in E. Jean Carroll's defamation trial got wind of his shenanigans out there in Scotland, where he said he was going to hurry on home so he could defend himself. So the judge said, hey, if you want to defend yourself, I'm going to give you an opportunity to do so. So I'm giving you until Sunday to file your request to go ahead and testify. Well, as we all suspected, 5 o'clock came and went, honey, and Frumpy to the motherfucking dump was as quiet as a church mouse. I declare, honey. What a disgrace. So since Frumpy Dump Cracker Jack Box legal team failed to file the request for him to testify, honey, the judge said, we're moving on, moving on. Oh, yes, honey. They're moving on. So E. Jean Carroll's attorney and Frumpy Dump Cracker Jack Box legal team have rested their respective cases. So Frumpy Dump Cracker Jack Box legal team didn't call not one witness. Frumpy Dump didn't testify to defend himself, but baby, E. Jean Carroll's attorneys, they put on a case, honey. Yes, they did. E. Jean Carroll testified. Hell, she even got 2 of Frumpy Dump's accusers to testify as well, honey. And baby, their testimonies were riveting. Now, Frumpy Dump Cracker Jack Box legal team tried to discredit E. Jean Carroll and the other alleged victims of Frumpy Dump, honey. But when they pulled out that deposition and they played some of the stuff that Frumpy Dump said, especially about being famous and he could just grab people by the hoo-ha, honey. I believe this case is signed, sealed, and delivered in E. Jean Carroll's favor, but we won't know until the jury comes back, and according to reports, the jury may get the case on Tuesday. Of course, we don't know how long the deliberations will last, but baby, everybody is going to be on the edge of their seat, honey. And I know I am, because I can't wait to hear what's going to come out in the Washington and Ranching of this. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. Did y'all think Frumpy Dump was going to testify? I know you didn't, honey. You wouldn't be here if you really thought Frumpy Dump was going to testify. We know his scary ass wasn't going to get up there. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mother for the Black Accurate News.